I have to introduce you to someone. I only just got her 2 days ago. Okay. Can you see? Baby, come on, baby. It's okay. She's so cool. Her name is Chicken. It took me a while to name her. Hey, Chicken. Hey, Chicken. She's like a kitty cat. Because she just lays on me, and I can watch a movie and she'll lay on me the whole time. Yeah. Her belly is really soft. I wish I could show you. I don't want to freak her out. Come on, baby. Chicken. Chicken, chicken. Her really soft belly. She's awesome. I wanted... this is a bearded dragon. I've wanted one for a really long time. I've had lizards before, like I've had a forest chameleon, and I had another little lizard that was really, really mean and would bite all the time. But this one I've really wanted, and I really, really loved her. I think she's beautiful. Her name is Chicken. The cat doesn't seem to care much about her, like she doesn't really look into her terrarium much, but she does like the crickets. Like I have a little cricket box. Here. Now there's only one alive left. But the cat, she just lays there in front of the box and stares at all the little crickets moving around. So I call them her pets. This is Peach's pets. So I almost got a picture of her staring into it, but my ferret scared her away, so I didn't get to take the picture. Anyways, I really just wanted to introduce you to her, my new baby. She's awesome. Hey, where are you going? Okay, bye guys.